What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got two boxes for us to check out. Gonna be two pairs of sneakers in there. What's in there? I don't know. Who are they from? I kind of know, but I won't know until I'm opening them, and then I'll let you know. But if you want to really be in the know, make sure you're hanging out in our Discord. Over 1,500 members over there. Not only can I personally help you out, but I have tons of people in there that are super helpful, willing to help out everyone else. So make sure you're hanging out over there. Great community, and I want to help you save money on the things that you want. And so far, I've been pretty good at doing that. So let me add you to the list, and I want to get you taken care of. That way you can, have extra money, go out to dinner, throw it in the savings account, invest it. Hard times out there right now. No one needs to be buying any pair of sneakers that's over $200. That's just a little ridiculous in my mind. So let me help you out. I want to be that guy for you, help you save some money. So let's go ahead, bust up into the first box of the day. FedEx, as always, but no Tom Hanks Castaway. Man, oh man. Got more stuff on the way even after this, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I've kind of been on the fence on if I want to make another Instagram. If TikTok gets knocked out, is that going to happen? I don't know if it's going to or not. But it's just another place to post short form content. I haven't really messed around with Rumble or anything. I honestly love Google's YouTube, but it's just, got to be careful. And you never know when they're going to make a change. I have mainly positive stuff, but there's some nasty comments that get left sometimes. And it's almost comical because it's like, really, dude, is this like all you have to do in your free time? And it's honestly like, why do you care? Like, some people care so much. It's like, dude, chill out, All right, off the rip, we got that bright blue UNC top on the Jordan box with black elephant lower. Check out what this one is. This is gonna be a size 10. Jordan 3 white and Valor blue tech gray. I think this is a Jeff Robe first. I don't know if I've had this one. Oh, it's just the UNC 3. I think I have. I think it's been a while. Size 10 though, looking nice. Says Soul on the tongue on the left one. That's cool. This one's got the Nike Air tag. And this one says heart on the inside of the right tongue. So pretty cool there. Got the heart and the soul on your feet. Heart and soul of UNC. Jordan Air logo on the heel. And this leather is buttery. Let me show you. Let me get situated here. Cool. Look at that one. Or here, let's do this one because it doesn't have the tag on it. Look at this. This thing smells amazing too. Got the vented leather at the top. That elephant running right under the air, looking good. Blue on the midsole, white, gray, black. Or no, gray and navy actually. So you get two tones of blue. Get that royal blue and the navy on the bottom. I think this is a new one. This is like a rendition of the one that I did have, because I feel like they dropped the UNC 3, but this is not it. This is a new one because it didn't have that on the tongue. Really, really beautiful stitched Jordan logo on this one too. It's got that blue navy outline really making it pop, and it does kind of lift up off of the actual tongue if you can see. Like, you can feel it. Very cool. Yeah, they kind of like flip and flop with the navy on here. So it's got navy on the lower eyelets and the top eyelet, and then UNC blue on the middle one. This is a really good looking shoe. Especially if you're a Dodger fan or, any blue team at that point. But man, this is a good looking shoe. I might have to keep this one. Euro 44. We'll have to try it on. I usually wear 45. Does have the classic Jordan 3 pull tab. Does it come with change of laces? It's got a red insole, quality product inspired by the greatest basketball player of all time. So that's standard. No real extra give. The insole is suede though. It's like super duper soft insole. No change of laces. Huh. I feel like a blue change would be fire in these, but I do have some extra. Sorry, I'm spending a lot of time on this, but this is a really nice shoe. This one's from Kick. This one was produced August of 2019 and ended November of 19. So yeah, maybe it is the old one, but I just don't remember the tongue having that. I don't remember the tongue having that detail on it. So, I'll have to do some research. I may put something up in the video while I'm editing. If not, comment down below. Let me know if there is another one. And then they also dropped this one. Maybe this was like a player exclusive and they put the writing on the inside for the players. But who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows? I know I got another box. Got another box, sneaky? Yeah. Let's check her out. I have been only releasing like one video a week. I'll try to pick it up a little bit, but I think that's like kind of right in the sweet spot. I feel like when I post too much, my views drop, and then if I kind of space it out, it's kind of the better. It'd be different if this was like a full-time job too, because then I'd feel more obligated to post daily. But if I can work it right, I can like post a long form video and then post a short every day until I post another long form video. That seems to work pretty good with the algorithm. And I can tell I have lots of new people tuning in as well, or people that may have been on one of my old channels that have found the new one, because the Discord is growing fast, dude. This one came nice, double boxed. Oh yeah. This is a size 11.5, but it says Euro 44. Women's Air Jordan 1. This one's from Kick as well. Can't go wrong with them. It's an Kick video. Man. Canary Racer Blue Light Silver. Ooh, we're rocking with the Travis Scott. Got the pink tissue paper. Banana. That's what this reminds me of. We got the freaking Minion Jordan 1 on deck, boys. And girls. Blue swoosh with the Simpsons yellow leather. With the brown bottom. Looking like a sundae. Check this out. The laces came in this little Jordan box. That's cool. It's got like branding and stuff on the back right here. Very cool. Comes with stock with the yellow, but you get a change of red and you get a change of blue. These are pretty cool. I haven't seen these yet. Cool. Let's check out the other one. Very nice. So they've used the reverse mocha box. I wonder if they actually came in another box. You'll have to let me know down in the comments. I'm not even sure if they've released these yet. They may have not. So, off the rip, yellow leather, but the white leather is super buttery, super soft, like immaculate shattered backboard soft. Feels absolutely amazing. Suede on the heel, or nubuck actually, in the yellow. Just if you have any of the other Travis Scotts, it feels the same, that really finely shaved suede. with the Cactus Jack logo here on the back of the left shoe. Flipping it around, deep blue leather swoosh, got the Cactus Jack right there in the red. Sneaky squeaking the toy. Man, you know, it's a really, really high quality shoe. Like in hand, these materials are really, really high quality. And you just don't see a lot of yellow. I'm surprised he went with the yellow. Man. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but look how well this thing is put together and how nice that suede is. Got the Jordan logo right there on the back, looking really good. Man. Jeff Robe first here, and then they went yellow. Travis Scott on the inside. That's the right shoe. Let's see if the left shoe's got anything. Yeah, left shoe's got the Cactus Jack. Right there. Yeah, super crazy. Let me know if anyone hit on these on retail, if they already dropped. I'll have to do some research, see if they've actually released yet. I'm blown away with the quality of materials they've decided to use on here. Like I said, this white leather, super soft, super duper smooth, buttery. Feels, yeah, shattered backboard leather on here. Amazing, actually. Cactus Jack here on the tongue too, like all of his Jordan 1s have. And that's going to be on white and blue. So pretty cool shoe. Wasn't one that was really on my radar, but one that is absolutely sick now that I have it in hand. So if you're after that one, they're available. SN Kicks got them. Hit them up. Make sure you tell them Jeff sent you, and they'll even take some money off the top. Make sure you're hanging out in the Discord. And yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. And I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.